Oh, Anshu, you wanna give me a tour about these things? Of busy. You have butterfly. You can go show these things or
No,
that thing.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, you're gonna go this way.
No.
Come on. You don't need glasses. Oh, this is your deer
No, it's not.
or a bird.
I don't know what that is. I can't see.
That's a donkey. Has a horn.
Okay.
How about
this
those
is
flowers?
this something.
Let's go walk
Wait,
around.
what do you mean?
Yeah.
You sure I can walk here?
And look at these flowers. This rain is coming to irrigate them.
Okay, that's cool.
These flowers
Yeah.
are beautiful.
You're not even like me give me a clue.
Okay.
This is something.
Okay.
And this is also something.
Okay.
And you know what this? You know what this is?
What?
I remember what it's called. It's called something.
Oh, it's called something?
Yeah.
Okay. How about that? That way. You going that way?
No.
Come on.
Too wet.
Too wet?
Yes.
You can walk.
That's too wet.
Yeah, let's go.
No.
Its name is Too Wet. Come on.
Its name is too wet. That's it.
Come on. Oh, there are berries.
It's
What is that berry?
something.
That's
You haven't even let me clean my glasses yet.
okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The more you clean, the more wet it's gonna get.
It's not gonna
because
get wet.
because
Oh my god. Okay.
there
never
is
mind.
something called rain. Come this way. Let's go see them. Since we are here,
Whoa.
we can see
I don't want to
some
be here.
plants. You don't want to be here.
No, I see flowers and plants.
Oh, there is a car.
That's cool.
Let's go see the car.
You go see the car.
Come on.
You go see the car. Where do you even see a car?
Yeah, this way.
No.
You blind? Are you blind?
Yes,
Why are you blind?
because you made me.
I don't know. Is the flower
Okay,
or
there's a
food?
car. That's good.
What kind of car is it? We are going out from this way.
You don't know where we are?
अब यहाँ आएको उपलक्ष्यमा एउटा पोर्सेको त भिडियो त जानै पर्यो.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Anshu, you on this car? You just say yes.
No.
All you
Pumpkin,
need to say is yes and you get it.
pumpkin,
Why not?
pumpkin, pumpkin.
Because
Woo.
you can drive.
Whoa.
What? I don't want to see yes.
Porsche. Huh.
Kind of. But you do get lots of dust here.
I'll be fine.
Also, you don't like it? No?
I can't see. What are you talking about?
No, I know. But I know, okay. Also did not like it, otherwise I would have bought this thing. they're coming, okay? We're
The
gonna go
thunder came
set
this
in.
way though. The thunder
We're gonna
came
go
this
to the shed and they'll find us.
way. They will not find us. They're gonna be lost.
It doesn't matter.
What do you mean that?
We got one goal and that's enough.
No, it's not.
It's-
We need 15.
I don't. Funny.
उतैतिर बस्ने हो त
यहाँ यता कतै छ कि सर
त्यो अगाडि
There's no
यता
shade.
होला भिज्न चाहिँ भिज्यो के अरे
उतैनिर छ सेड यिनीहरूलाई कुर्ने हो चाहिँ त्यहाँ बस्छ
यिनीहरू
तर आउँछन्
आउँछन्
थाहा होला नि त यो सिधाबाट
थाहा भए छ नभए अब गाडीमा गएर बसेपछि हामी यसै भिज्यो उनीहरू भिज्छौँ र अंशुको टुर त सकेको छैन बाबा
Well, I don't know what to tell you. These are pumpkins and flowers.
every
How about those things on
every
that side?
day
Flowers.
What?
Yeah.
every day they ask me
Tell like different features of flowers, like the colors,
Mundo Mexico
the different shape and size and all
They're
that
from
stuff.
the Dallas Botanical Garden. They're
oh this is not botanical garden
I
it is
know.
arboretum
I know. I just
they're
wanted to
they're
say
making something there you want to see what are they making
that. No. He's cheating.
oh there is a squirrel that's your friend
Why, listen.
यो चाहिँ क्रिसमस मार्केट बनाउँछन् यहाँ के बनाउँदै होला
How is it Christmas already? It hasn't even turned Halloween.
yeah but you gotta prepare
Prepare
just
for
like
what? Mommy,
you got a
what?
Christmas gift already
I don't have a Christmas gift.
you got it
No, I do not.
already in
What did
March
you get last year?
No, I forgot. I got art. I got art. Something.
How about other things?
I think we got something.
Like
Something. I'm kidding. I got I don't know. I forgot. I forgot everything.
बस्ने रुख्नु नि बस्ने त एकछिन माथिबाट ओखर खसेर ओखर झरेर लाग्छ होला एकैछिन बस्ने भने बस्छौँ यता रुखमुनि बस्ने कि यता मुनि बस्ने कि
They closed some umbrellas.
huh? That's okay they can,
Open them back up.
we can but will we no we won't